This 2014 Keystone Hideout 28 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, awning, microwave, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, auxiliary battery, water heater, oven, DVD player, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Keystone Hideout 28 BHS is 6,726 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.